Real estate is a long-term game. Now, if any of you have been watching me, I've been telling you that, and I've been telling you that this current environment that we're in with rising interest rates is a blip. I just went out to a Rotary function on Monday, and I sat with a lawyer. This lawyer purchased his house in 1981. Would you like to know what the interest rate was in 1981? 18%. Our last interest rate increase has our base rate right now at 5.75%. So just put that in perspective. Now, in 1981, he got a mortgage for $105,000. What do you think his dad said to him? "You're crazy. Are you crazy going into debt that much and at an interest rate like that?" Well, would you like to know what Mr. Lawyer's done? He has sat on that house and he paid it off 15 years ago. And he's basically been living mortgage-free for 15 years. He just had a valuation done on that same $105,000 house that he hasn't paid anything for 15 years, and it's now valued at $630,000. Real estate is a long-term game. Now, would you like to know what he did with that extra mortgage money that he had? Because he didn't have to pay his cost of living. He then took that money and then he purchased 5 more investment properties. Would you like to know what his real estate net worth is right now? $2.3 million. That is long-term buy and hold. Now, if you have any questions for me or want to know more about this, DM me below, share, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.